Hey guys, I'm Walmart Chef Brittany Furbee, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Hershey's stuffed sugar cookies. We're going to be making two different flavors today using Hershey's candy cane and sugar cookie flavored kisses. So, decorated sugar cookies are a staple in most households at the holidays. And today I'm going to be sharing with you just a few tips and tricks to help reimagine this classic cookie. I'm going to put these ones off to the side. And the first thing that we're going to do is work on our cookie dough. So today I'm going to be using this great value sugar cookie box mix. It's so easy and simple to use, and you only have to add 2 ingredients to it. So the first thing we're going to add is some softened butter. I've got 1 stick here. And then we're going to add 1 egg, and that's it. This sugar cookie mix is so simple, and it's actually really, really good. So I'm going to take a spoon, and we're just going to mix this up. You're going to want to mix this really well. You might even need to get in there with your hands and knead it all together. But there's no mixer required. You can definitely do this with just a spoon. So I have some here that I've already rolled out, and this is what you want it to look like. We've got a nice dough ball here. It's soft, and it's just delicious and ready to be made into sugar cookies. So that is really what you are looking for there. So you're going to want to take your dough and roll it out on a surface that's sprinkled with a little bit of flour. So I've already gone ahead and done that with some dough that I made earlier. So you can see here, I just have some nice rolled out cookie dough. We've got it at about 1/4 of an inch thick. So I'm going to take a round cookie cutter, a small one here, and we're going to cut this into about 16 to 18 circles. And that is going to be the base of our stuffed sugar cookies. Okay guys, I've got our sugar cookie cutouts here, and like I said, we're going to make 2 different flavors today. So I'm going to start with the sugar cookie kisses first. I really love this product. They're so tasty and delicious. I could just sit here and eat a whole bag of them. But we're going to take our kisses and lay them on their side and just put them up against each other like this. This will help them stay right in the middle of our cookie when they bake. And then we'll go ahead and add the candy cane kisses as well. And we're just going to take our other piece of dough and lay it right on top of our kisses. And we're just going to start to mold this cookie dough down over those kisses. And we're just going to pinch the ends here to seal in those kisses. So don't worry if your sugar cookie splits a little bit on top. Just push it back together and then make sure that it's all covered in dough, and they'll cook down perfectly. And we'll do the same thing with our other one here. Same thing, press down the sides, seal in those kisses, and pinch the top together if you had any holes for them. And it really is that simple. So we're going to take these sugar cookies and transfer them to a baking sheet, just like that. And you're going to want to cook these in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Doing that will give you a nice golden brown crust on your cookies and melt down those kisses on the inside. So this is what the cookies are going to look like when they come out of the oven. Nice and golden brown. You've got that gooey kisses in the middle there. And you can enjoy these cookies just like this. They'll be delicious. But today I'm going to decorate some of these cookies to show you what they can look like, and also to just make them more like the classic decorated sugar cookies we're all used to. So I'm just going to take our cookie here, and I'm just going to cover this with some white cookie icing. This is Great Value brand. And we're just going to do a nice, generous amount of white icing here. And then I'm going to take a spatula and spread this white icing out on top. Now, there's lots of different ways that you can decorate these cookies. You can make fun shapes like snowmen, Christmas trees, or hats, or you can just sprinkle them with some toppings like candy canes that have been crushed up, or some sprinkles from Walmart. So no matter how you decorate your stuffed sugar cookies, they're gonna be delicious because they're filled with those Hershey's candy cane and sugar cookie kisses. So be sure to pick up a bag of the holiday Hershey Kisses flavors from your local Walmart and enjoy this sweet treat at home.